Culver at Speedokote Finish Network. Alright, so we got my 2015 Honda Civic here. Quick little video. So we had two issues with this car. So, first issue is when I got the car originally first back together, the paint match between the fender and the door was terrible. Second issue was with this car is about 3 weeks ago, I went ahead and I actually creamed this side. It's funny, I was actually joking with a buddy of mine. We were on the way to the gun range, and I was like, yeah, man, you know, if I cream this car, you know, it's a $5,000 car, I'll throw it away, buy another one. And what do you know, 2 weeks later, bang! I was joking with some buddies of mine on Facebook when I posted this thing. I was like, oh man, I creamed my little Honda Civic. I was like, man, these things sound like candy bars when you crash them. All you hear is a crunch. So, yeah, fun time. So, but not too bad of a crunch. All we needed was a bumper, fender, you know, light little. As you guys can see, we're blending some doors and we're blending some little pillar, quarter panel, whatever thingies. So, let me show you guys. So first off, to fix that blend issue, we went ahead, we took the color past the door. Nice concentration of color in this area. Now, as you guys can see, I took the base about halfway, 33% of the way through the door, I'd say. Now, in this area right in here, okay, we're going to spray our color blender. We mix it the base coat with the color blender 1-to-1. We're going to fade it out even more. Let's grab the gun. Let's put this on film, show you guys how I do it. All right, so we're coming down the home run stretch with this repair. As you guys can see, you know, clear coat's going down great. We're using the Fast Dry Euroclear, very high build. We ended up doing 2 coats total. The color blend is seamless and amazing. Now we're trying to blend this clear. Now this can be the tricky part. We took a clear coat up to our 1,000 grit scratches, and that's where we stopped the clear, right on the edge of those scratches. Now we got the Speedokote blend. The key with this is high pressure. Keep the pressure super high, not ridiculously high, but you want to spray this stuff at about 25 to 30 psi. Mist it on, nice fine mist, and just gently go over that area where the clear coat has landed, and then a little bit pass on both ways. And this is going to provide you with a very seamless, beautiful clear coat blend.
And as you guys can see, look at this clear coat. This is only 2 coats of the Fast Right Euroclear. Man, this thing looks nice. Once again, guys, you guys can see we're wrapping this job up. This is just a perfect example. No spray booth. Probably a little dust on the floor. Not perfect conditions. Cold. And you can still get professional quality results right at home. This is a very nice repair.
There you guys have it, how to blend out, especially these metallic colors, and get a perfect paint match, a perfect blend. If we would have just stopped with the base coat where we, you'd use the method I see a lot of guys do, they fan the base and they try and fade it out. It looks good in the paint booth and it might look good in your shop, but once you get out in that sun, it's not going to look good. As you guys can see, there is a seamless color blend. You cannot even tell where we started and stopped the color. The Speedokote color blender is a lifesaver to get a professional quality job. On top of that, I was a little bit sketchy pulling the tape off last night, but we even got a perfect paint match between the front door and the rear door. There is no difference in shade and color. It does need to be buffed a little bit. You guys can see, the back half of the car is dirty, but if you really look in, you really focus in, there is no shade difference. This is a very good quality repair. Look at this blend. Look at this clear coat blend. We did not even polish that. That's a polish-free blend, and I'm probably not even going to take any polish over it. I'm probably going to go ahead. You guys can see a little bit of a tape line right here where we got a little bit of over. I'm going to buff this little bit of overspray off in this area. That blend, I'm not even going to touch it. And you guys can see we got a couple little scratches, a little bit of scratches in the paint here and there. We're going to buff the whole back half of the car. Once we do that, we're going to ceramic coat the whole thing. Car should look beautiful. I'm super happy with how this thing came out. Number one, this thing was crashed a couple weeks ago. You guys saw, so we fixed that issue. New fender, new bumper. We got the bumper in the shop. And then also we fixed that color issue on this side, knocked out 2 birds in 1 stone, got this car looking good again. All you got to do is do a little polish to it, and it's going to be looking great. That is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.